Here I've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and click on security and lock screen. Now go to fingerprint unlock, and at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me choose pattern, just draw the unlock pattern, tap on next, redraw it just to confirm and click on confirm. And now you can customize your notifications, so you can see all notification content on your lock screen. You can hide sensitive details or you can hide all notifications, but I will just hide sensitive details and then tap on done. And as you can see here, you've got the sensor, tap on next, and you can smoothly add your fingerprint smoothly by tapping on the sensor. Just lift your finger up, then put it on, and your fingerprint will be added. Just a few more touches to make it fully and correctly. Tap on done, and as you can see from now on, you can smoothly unlock your device with this fingerprint only or by using your backup pattern. Whenever you'd like to remove your fingerprint, smoothly open the settings, go to fingerprint section, it's right here. Draw your backup pattern, pin code or the password, whichever you set, and tap on the icon right here, select yes, remove, and that's it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.